everyone, Ironclad Cobra here, and welcome to another quick unboxing first impressions video. Today I'm featuring the Anbernic RG35XX-H, and of course I got a very good deal on this device. I got it I think last week during the big Anbernic sale on AliExpress. It was around $55 US with free shipping. But I think the big sale event is over now, so the price could be around 60 or 65 US dollars. And of course I didn't want to miss that chance. I always wanted to buy one of these RG35XX-H devices, and I think it was a good time for me to get it. Okay, as you'll see, I'll share a quick unboxing first impressions video, and I'll of course share with you also at the end of the video the operating system, the stock OS, maybe some gameplay as well. And of course I'm planning to install Batocera on this. It's one of my favorite Linux custom firmware, and I'm quite excited in the next couple of days to share some Batocera videos with you. Okay guys, so let's go ahead. As you see, minimal plain boxing packaging from Anbernic, the RG35XX-H. On this side, this is the front. This side there's nothing. These are the color options. I wanted to get the transparent or clear purple, but I don't think it was a good color because I have my Odin 2 Max, which is clear purple. My Mio Mini Plus is clear purple, and my R36S is clear purple. Those are beautiful colors, but this time Anbernic's clear purple wasn't my favorite. So they have also the clear white, and they also have the plain black, which is the option that I got. On this side there's nothing. This side there's nothing. Here the shipper's info, so there's nothing as well. I'll go with you through the specs while we talk about the device. So let's go ahead and unbox it. As always, Anbernic's plain, or let's say boxing packaging. This is the unit itself. Here what comes in the box as well: the standard wipes, wet and dry, I think the standard screen protector as well, and of course we have the operation manual, probably Chinese and English, that shows you the hotkeys, the specs of the device. Let's have a look. Yeah, okay, so there you go. These are the hotkeys, as you see. This side Chinese, this side English. Okay, we probably wouldn't need that much. And I'm guessing we also have the standard USB-C charging cable here that comes with all Anbernic's standard devices. Yeah, USB-A to USB-C. Okay, there you go. Let's look at the unit itself now. This unit of course has really good specs. It's using the Allwinner H700 chipset, which is slightly more powerful than the RK3326, which is able to play some PS1, PSP, Dreamcast games, but don't expect a high performance or smooth gameplay. Now, the device feels really good in the hands. Of course, as you see, it's Anbernic quality. It's a plastic shell, it's not metal. The face buttons are quite good, they feel good. The D-pad, solid, good quality. The analog sticks are basic, they are not Hall sensor analog sticks, but I think they are also good quality. The start and select buttons. At the bottom we have two speakers, as you see, down-firing speakers, one here and one here. Then we have two micro SD card slots. One is TF1 for your operating system, the other one is TF2 for your game ROMs. And I think I got the 64 gigabyte card with it, which has around 5,000 game, I guess, with Anbernic's stock firmware. So that's at the bottom, as you see. On the back we have Anbernic's logo, some technical info as well. 3300 milliamp battery, which gives you around 6 hours of gameplay. Okay, and on top, let's have a look what we have on top here. We have the function button, USB-C, mini HDMI out, USB-C as well if you want to hook, you know, controllers as well or peripherals, and then 3.5mm audio jack. And of course we have the L1 R1 and L2 R2 shoulder and trigger buttons. On this side we have the power button, and then we have the R as well, the reset button. And then on this side we have the volume rocker or the volume key. There's not quite much of rattling if you shake it, as you see. Very slight rattling, which means it's a very good build quality. The screen is 3.5-inch IPS screen. The screen resolution is 640 by 480. As I mentioned, it's an IPS screen, which is quite a good size for pocketable device. What else? Then we also have, I think, 1 gigabyte of RAM. It has also Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mini HDMI out. As I said, it's a Linux based handheld, so I think it has almost everything you need for a pocketable device. It's quite lightweight because it's plastic shell. The size of the screen is 3.5, which is ideal. The aspect ratio is 4:3, which is great for retro game systems. And I think for the price of $55 or $60, this is a very good bang for buck. Okay, so let me see. I think my first impressions are quite good on this device. It feels very compact in size. And I'm expecting a performance slightly better than the RK3326 devices, but I'm gonna give you an idea how is the stock firmware and maybe try a game or two as well. Okay, let me just switch on the device. You will be greeted with the Anbernic user interface logo. This is the same chipset, the H700, that also comes on the vertical device, the RG35XX Plus, but it's just a different form factor. I personally prefer horizontal handhelds on vertical, but I think I'm quite happy with this device. So as you see, this is the stock firmware, RetroArch, favorites, history, search, settings, game room, and I'm guessing the game room would be your game systems, as you see. So we have PSP, PS1, Arcade, Capcom, Neo Geo, Final Burn Neo, GBA, NES, SNES, GBC, Game Boy, PC Engine, yeah, Sega Game Gear as well, and WonderSwan Color. Okay, so those are the systems that comes on the stock OS, and I think it's about 5,000 games. I'm gonna share with you some gameplay. Let's have a look together. Probably we can have a PSP. Let's try PSP. GTA Vice City. Let's try GTA Vice City, one of my favorite games. Let's skip the intro. The speakers are nice. I can feel a little bit of audio tear, but I think it's not bad. Let's try some gameplay.
Cousin Ed on V-Rock with Ted Nugent, a.k.a. Terrible Ted, the Nuge, the Axe Master who gets more wang dang sweet poon tang than Laszlo, but then again, don't we all? Let's keep the rock rockin' on the home of the rockin' party.
I think it's good. Okay, yeah, I think there's some audio tear, as you see. Yeah, I think most of these chipsets cannot handle PSP and PS1 very well. So as I said, just regard it as a bonus. You know, don't have high expectations when it comes to these higher systems. But I think, you know, you could still play some PS1 and PSP games. Okay guys, I think that would be for today. As I mentioned, I'll feature Batocera on my device in the next couple of days. This was a short video today. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And always remember, we don't stop gaming because we grow old. We grow old because we stop gaming.